All right, so today I've just got a review. We've got one problem from part one problem from part two. So let's just put these together, make sure they're correct in your head before the review. So don't forget you do need a calculator for this. So the first guy says find me S10. So if you'll remember, this means add up the first 10 terms. So the 10 tells me how many to add up. The S tells me sum or add. Well, this guy only gave me four terms, right? 15, 20, 25, 30. So that's only four terms. What I need to do is I need to extend that pattern to get the first 10. Well, I noticed that this is a plus 5 pattern, right? Each time I go, I'm adding 5. So to carry on that pattern, I just need to keep adding 5. So 35, 40, 45, 50, so on and so forth. I can tell 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I need 10. And I'm going to go down here so that I don't run into my next one. So this is the first 10 terms. 15, 20, 25, 30, right? The first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th terms. So what we need to do is add them up, right? 15 plus 20 plus 25 plus 30 plus 35 plus 40 plus 45 plus 50 plus 55 plus 60, right? Add up all of those guys. By the way, if you don't want to write that out, you just want to put that in your calculator, I will not know the difference. So that is an absolutely valid choice if that is too much writing. All of that went into the calculator, right? 15 plus 20 plus 25. I promise all of it is there. It just gets cut off the screen for me. But if you look at it, I did go all the way out to 60, and the answer is 375. So S10, or the sum of the first 10 numbers, is 375. All right, the next side does work similarly, even though it doesn't look similar at all, right? It's a sigma, which still tells me I need to add up some things. It tells me add up all the numbers between 6 and 11. So all the numbers between 6 and 11, so that's going to be 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. And what I need to do with those numbers is I need to plug them into this formula right here. So 3n plus 1. But for the first guy, I'm going to plug in 6. So 3 times 6 plus 1. And I promise that is calculator magic off to the side here. Turns out to be 19. And then I'm going to keep plugging in each number. So next, I'm going to plug in 7, right? So 3 times 7 plus 1. And I'm just getting that formula from right here. 3 times 7 plus 1 turns out to be 22. And then I'm going to keep plugging in every single number until I hit 11. So 3 times 8 plus 1 turns out to be 25. And then I'm going to plug in 9. 3 times 9 plus 1 turns out to be 28. 3 times 10 plus 1 is 31. And then 3 times 11 plus 1 is 34. Right? So I took all the numbers from 6 to 11, all the numbers from 6 to 11, and I plugged them all in to n right here, right? Whatever n is, that's the number that I'm plugging in. So the 3 something plus 1 in each case, 3 something plus 1. And then I just sat over here with a calculator. Right, now, sigmas and sums are the same thing, right? So now that I know what the first couple terms are, I need to add them all up. So 19 plus 22 plus 25 plus 28 plus 31 plus 34. 19 plus 22, 25, 28, 31 plus 34. And I promise there's no trickery here. That's exactly what I'm typing into my calculator. And the answer is 159.